Hello and welcome back to Ben the Review That. Today we have the pleasure of reviewing the Gwonho Samsung Park in Waegwon, Korea. This is one attraction of 12 different attractions that are included into the Patriotic and Peace Park tourism beltwork. So if you go to Waegwon or you're stationed in Camp Carroll or in Area 4, this area is really easy to get to. It's minutes away from Camp Carroll. And as you can see, the views are spectacular. So I will stop talking and I will let you enjoy this drone footage that I took, and I will see you on the ground. All right guys, so today I brought you to this place here in Waegwon. It's a really nice view of the train tracks. Right here you can see the bullet trains go by, and there's also a lot of fun stuff for the kids here. And this is like literally 10 minutes from Camp Carroll, so if you're in the area, it's a perfect place to bring your kids. It's a beautiful day out here today. Today's Columbus Day, October 10th, 2022. They have this little theater thing here, and then they have like this little zip line right here, and then these slides. I already went down one. It was a bad idea because I got all wet on my bottom, but as you can see, this is what it looks like. Nice big area to play. Over here is a campground. So if you're not familiar, Koreans love to camp, whether it be out in nature or at a campground. So over here is the campground. It's just beautiful today. As you can see, the tents. There's a bullet train right there. So over here is it's like I think it's like a museum like slash fun park where the Korean flag is. And if you see in the distance, I don't know if you can spot it, but there's like a white area. That's a slide. There's actually kids that go up there and slide down on these tubes. I'll check that out in another video. Over here is Hill 303. I'm not sure where my hand is in relation to me pointing, but Hill 303 is this hill right here, and there's that'll be another video. Significance about Hill 303 is it was a lookout point during the Korean War for the US and Korean soldiers. So I'll go into that. That's a pretty interesting history story. And then up here, if we follow this trail up, there's like a whatchamacallit, one of those things, whatever that is. It's like a, not a shrine, but you know, I don't know the exact name for it, but we're gonna go up there and you're gonna see it. So let's make our way up the hill, and I will turn the video back on when we get a little closer. So I want to show you guys how nice the bathrooms are in Korea on the hiking trails. Obviously this is the men's bathroom. I'm not gonna go in the ladies. Really clean, they take care of them. They know a lot of people like to enjoy these trails, so. Beautiful day out here today. All right guys, so we made it to the top and we are gonna walk up and we're gonna see this view. If you do come here, if you're in the area, there's a sign right here. It says take off your shoes. So just make sure you're being respectful. And I feel like they put that flag just perfectly smack dab in the middle, because it's just a perfect view. You can see the bullet train tracks right there. It's just really pretty out here. You have to come and see it for yourself. I'm gonna see if we can get closer to the bullet train, because I really want to get a shot like up close. So I might have to go over there somewhere and find a way. Hill 303, there's a dam right here. That's a really pretty sight. And then Camp Carroll is on the other side of this hill that way. All right, let's go back down, take some more shots. All right, so this little map right here kind of shows what's going on. This whole area is called the Patriotic Peace Park Tourism Beltwork. As you can see, there's another bullet train right there. And this consists of the Chilgok Patriot Peace Memorial, which is that building over there. And then you have the sledding ground, Chilgokbo Sledding Ground, that's that. Honeybee Land Experience, that's over there, straight across. Hyangsa Art Center. Chilgok Peace Observatory, that's Hill 303. Chilgok Crafts Theme Park, that is that place over there. So that's all kind of like one area. And then on this side of the river you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sports park, water slide, camping, Gwanghosang Park, Chilgokbo Ecological Park, and Nangdong River History Neolgil. So that's the whole area. So there's just so many. I can make a video on each one of these, and maybe I will, so you know what it is, what they got here to offer. But so here's the what is this called again? Gwanghosang Park Memorial Temple thing. I'm gonna call it a temple. I'm not sure what these are called. Comment below if you know what this thing is called. There's a name for it. I know there is. All right, we're gonna go back down, see if we can get over there to closer to the bullet train, because I think that'd be really cool. As you can see, this is a little further up past the bathrooms, and I wanted to point out something on this trail. So if you look down on the ground, you'll see this like netting that's on the ground, and they put these on the trails to keep the trails from kind of like collapsing, but also it provides really soft cushioning for your feet. So as you're walking on these trails for hours and hours, it feels good. It gives you some texture, some grip. So that's a real handy feature, and you'll find these on pretty much all the trails where it's dirt here in Korea. If it's some kind of angle or slope to it, they'll put that on there, so that's handy. The top of this hill gave some more really pretty views over the river, and it opened up into a nice little picnic area. This is nice. I've never been up here before. Nice little picnic area. It's pretty. Yeah, it's nice. There's another bullet train. Bullet train! No! There it is. Now this is cool. Look at that swing. There's two of them. You can just sit up here. Oh, that's impressive. Let's see what this looks like. Hopefully it looks cool. Yeah, this is nice. Do all kinds of stuff up here. Look at the heart shape of the swing. Isn't that cool? I gotta take a picture of that. That's neato. Name that tune. If you know what that is, name it. Comment down below. What am I singing? All you nerds out there should know what that is. Ooh, look at this tree. Alright, let's see. Which way do I want to go? Let's go this way. Let's go the hard way. Oh yeah, I'd ride my bike down this. Good thing I wore my hiking boots. Put this camera down a little so you can see what I see. Right? Choo, 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 choo. Do. So this part's a little steeper, as you can see. Still not bad though. Some more stairs. Also, Korea trails have a lot of stairs, like a lot of stairs, like miles of stairs. So if you're not a stair climber, you better work up to it, because there's lots of stairs. Let me know in the comments if you like this angle, this GoPro, oh, the bullet train, this GoPro like super wide view. If you like this, thumbs up, always appreciate it. And yep, we're back here again. So this is where we drove up when we came into the park, and I figured this trail would end up here. I was right. Bullet train. I feel like I hear one. Oh, it is. Oh yeah, there we go. Thanks for joining us today on this awesome tour. I'm Ben. You have tuned in to Ben There Reviewed That, and I will see you next time. Bye. See ya. Video's over. You can go home now. Alright? Or whatever you're doing, go back to playing Fortnite or whatever. Alright? You should go outside. Go outside. Get some air. See this. See these cars. All right. Peace. Be safe. Till next time.